If you want to check to see if your fuel injector is bad in your vehicle, I'm going to show you 5 easy ways you can DIY test these yourself. Some of these are often overlooked tests, but you will be able to confirm with 100% certainty if you have a bad fuel injector using these methods. I diagnosed a ton of different fuel injector related faults over the years, and the number one thing I've seen for misdiagnosis is missing the simple stuff, not doing the simple checks and jumping in too deep too quick. So the top 5 DIY tests that I'm going to showcase is a lot of very simplistic ones that you can do yourself. The number one check that I'm going to do, and this is in no particular order, so number 1 is going to be an ohms check, so a resistance check across the injector. So we're going to be going across these pins and checking that. Typically 8 to 20 ohms of resistance is what you would be seeing. Each manufacturer is different, and if you have that spec data on your injector, certainly check that first. But we're going to be going across these pins and checking for a reading and seeing what we get. So I have the injector lightly clamped in the vise just to showcase this test on video. This is one that was removed out of a vehicle and is faulty, so we're going to be setting it up to ohms, which I think you can see there. I'm going to be getting my multimeter. Always check your multimeter to make sure it's functional first of all. If you have bad leads, it could be an issue, so we can see we are getting a resistance reading. Then we're going to be going on to the pins on either side. And as we can see, we have nothing there. So we have confirmed straight away on this one that this is a faulty injector, and this was throwing up a fault code on this vehicle and was having running issues with it. So if you have accessibility to the injector, a simple resistance check is a fantastic one to do.
And here's a clip of me back at the workshop doing a diagnostic on a vehicle with a faulty fuel injector. This is a high resistance reading on this one, so it's reading 40.8 ohms on that first injector that I checked. Now I'm doing comparisons to each bank, getting that known good. So we have 15 on that one, and we have 13.2 to 12.8 on this one. So I've confirmed doing that simple check that that injector is faulty.
Number 2 is with the injector in the vehicle and everything connected up, put a mechanic stethoscope or a screwdriver straight down on the base of it and listen to the top side. It's fantastic if you have these hit through screwdriver or pry bar where you can get the sound resonate up through, but you're just going to listen to see if you can hear this injector being functional. If you have accessibility to get down on it, it's a very simple and quick check to do. Number 3 is get down on the injectors and disconnect them. This is the same as what you would